Hi everyone, it's Vicki from Minerva. We would like to say a huge thank you to everyone that has subscribed to our YouTube channel. We are absolutely amazed and so happy that we have reached 30,000 subscribers, so thank you so much. So to celebrate, we thought we would launch a fun giveaway to give you a chance to win a gift card to spend at Minerva. So we've got 10 gift cards up for grabs worth £50 each, so you have 10 chances to win, and literally all you need to do to enter the giveaway is to follow our channel here on YouTube. So just hit the subscribe button and just leave a comment in the comment section to this video. So if in that comment, if you just tell us what your favourite sort of content is on the channel, so whether that's sew-alongs or tutorials or new product launches, pattern and fabric pairings, can be absolutely anything. Just let us know what your favourite content is, and if you've any ideas on the sorts of videos that you'd love to see at Minerva. Is there a sew-along we haven't covered? Is there a particular technique you'd love to learn? Anything at all, we'd love to hear your ideas, and it'll help us shape the content going forward, and hopefully bring you the content that you really want to see. So yeah, thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed already. We're absolutely thrilled to have hit 30,000 followers already. Thank you so much. And we're really happy to see that you're enjoying the content so far. And yeah, like I said, all you need to do is is subscribe to the channel and leave a comment telling us what your favourite content is and what sort of videos you would like to see in the future. So we will pick 10 winners completely at random from the comments, and we will get in touch with you to let you know that you've won. And we will then send you your gift card, and you can spend that on anything you like on Minerva. So don't forget to enter the giveaway, and thank you again very much for subscribing to the channel.